Hi folks, here we have some new gadget in 2024, the brand new Poco F5. So we're gonna do an unboxing and activation of this model. So this is a model with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of memory. So I'm gonna kind of wrap. The Poco models have always been packed phone protective case. Just amazing. I'm gonna put this aside. So next on the next in the box is the phone. Just gonna leave this like this. So here are the specs. So the main specs of the phone: Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 processor, 120 Hz display, 67 watts turbocharger, 64 megapixel camera, etc. Let's see. Wow, just amazing. This is the black color. Just looks amazing. So I'm gonna leave this aside, see what's other in the box, and after that we're gonna this is the charger, Type-C cable, something else. Well, this seems all of it. So now we're gonna here are the buttons. Here on the right side, like most of the Xiaomi models, and this is it. Let's begin to user agreement. We're gonna skip this step. Skip. So I'm gonna skip this part of the video until I'm entering all my Gmail credentials and continue after the phone is ready. So here we are again after completing the setup of the phone. As you can see, these are the basic apps from the phone. Specific here is a Poco Community app. Let's see, settings. Here are some updates. So this is the basic about this phone. I really like it very much. Everything is smooth, nice. So I'm gonna complete the setup. Thanks for watching.